this is Little G and C-Mac.
And David McPete.
And, you can call him C-Mac too. That's his channel right now. Anyways, so today we're doing a Nerf War. This is C-Mac. Make sure to subscribe to his channel and like this video. And this is Little G. Make sure to subscribe to my channel also and like this video. And like all of my videos too.
Right.
Okay, so we're doing the Nerf War. Which color are you? Blue?
I'm blue.
So this
Yeah, I'm green.
Okay. We're gonna start the Nerf War. 3, 2, 1, go!
Try to stay in it. Pretty good.
I got a triple launcher. Dude, after this, you want to look at some of my videos?
It's still going.
I'm about to fire a missile at Carter, guys.
I call this
3,
the
2,
super
1.
spin.
Guys,
Stop it,
this
stop
time I'm right